सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः। Hari Om. Today I am going to introduce 4 new words. Every experience as it unfolds is a situation. A situation because I know what that experience is, I know how to handle it, and I know what is expected of me to give back to that situation. So it is just a situation on hand. But soon that situation can become a problem when I know what it is, when I know what is unfolding, when I know what is the importance of it, but I don't know how to resolve it. I don't think I have a solution for it. Then that situation escalates to become a problem. But a little investigation into it, we can easily find that there is a solution for it. I just need to find it. I just need to apply it. But this problem can soon escalate to become a crisis. A crisis wherein I don't know what is unfolding. I don't know how severe it is. I don't know how important the impact of it in my life. I'm not aware of it. So there is no question about thinking of what would be the solution. I don't even understand the situation. I don't understand that experience. At that time, we would call it a crisis. It only shows that either I'm inexperienced or I'm unconscious or both. Or I'm unconsciously living my life, or I'm both unconsciously living as well as inexperienced. If you are inexperienced, to gain experience, this would be one great opportunity. That's not a bigger of an issue. But if I am going through life unconsciously, these patterns seem to repeat itself, and it leads to certain frustration that why is this happening to me? It's because I'm being unconscious. That my experience, which could have been handled as a situation, has become a problem, now is at a level of a crisis. But when life is backed with such crisis again and again and again, then it becomes a chaos. So every experience I have a choice, whether to allow it to be a situation, a problem, or a crisis, or to let it rot to become a chaos. In most of the experiences where I'm an integral part of that experience, it is my responsibility to make sure that it is not a chaos, it is not a crisis, it doesn't become a problem, but it is a situation. Situations can be challenging. But I have a solution, I know how to work at it, I know it will take time and effort. So to apply that, it would be just a situation. But in not able to handle it, we just keep avoiding it, procrastinating it, or dwelling into the unnecessary anxieties, or only analyze it and not have solutions for it. So in analysis, we keep repeating that crisis again and again without a pause, and we don't switch to find solutions. In order to find that solution, I need to see my own life as objectively as possible. See, when a friend comes and asks me for a certain advice, many times I surprise myself. Wow, I gave an amazing advice. It was not because I was intelligent or more experienced. It just basically starts from one small little point that it is not my problem. Therefore, I can see it, I can view it at an objective level. At an objective level, when I see the possibilities of solution. So I'm thinking about solutions rather than being bogged down by the problem. So if I can bring that attitude towards my own life, I have a solution at every single experience. Then life becomes seamless. Then life becomes a joy, a painless one. And stress can be handled. Hope we can find that switch. Hari Om.